be. Okay, arched, tall. Tall or high for buildings. Okay, so it's the same. Arched. Okay. Next one is gorach. Gorach. So the next one is glich. So glich. Glich. So glich means clever. And so they say that foxes are glich. So it's not just clever, it's in a sly way. Okay? So glich. Next one is grounder. 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 So that means ugly. And the next one is raver. 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 Raver means plump or fat. Raver. Next one is kuul. Kuul. This is only approximation in the phonetics because it's kuul. It's kind of an e sound as well, and kind of e and u sound. Kuul. And kuul means thin. Kuul. So it means thin, and you can see it in place names quite a lot, meaning a thin strip of either water or land. Okay, next one is grot. Grot. So grot means horrible. It can also mean rotten or spoiled, meaning, when the food goes off, it becomes grot. Okay. But as in personality, it means horrible. Okay, next one, next word we already had in the song. So lech, lech. So it's this e between e and u sound. Lech, lech.
German.
Yeah, lech. So that means nice. There is another word for nice, snog as well. The lech just refers to personality, and snog can refer to many things. It's a more general word. Okay. Okay. And then next one is tahpl. 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 So tahpl means smart and active, meaning being clever and active at the same time. Okay. Okay. And spatial. 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 Spatial means smart, posh, or well dressed. Okay. Spatial. Okay, I think we're on to sentences now, yes. So to ask about personality, so we say, Korish aha dovraher koltach. So you put the person in there. Okay. Well, I put dovraher. So, Korish aha dovraher koltach. Okay, so what does your brother look like? Okay. And this is not just for look like, but also for personality. It's actually the same question. So when we say Korisha Hadovraha Kolta, you're looking for an answer, what does it actually look like, but also personality. So it's the same. Okay, and the answer to this is Haya Curl, Arst, Agus Hagruak Garich, Yira Okay, so Haya Curl, Arst, so thin, are slim and tall. It's tall, slim, and has short, straight hair. Short, straight hair. So hai kuul, hart. Agus grod, garage, yidach, air. Okay, so that's what he looks like. Okay, and that's so this is personality. Hai lech ach dekken gorach. Hai lech ach dekken gorach. So that's about. She's nice, not a bit silly. So hai lech ach dekken gorach. Okay. And then historia ydach spatial. She likes smart clothes. Historia ydach spatial. Okay, she likes smart clothes. Okay, it's another one. Ha ambalach seo rafar, grounda agus leishk. Okay. Rafar, so ha ambalach seo rafar, grounda agus leishk. So this boy is fat, ugly, and lazy. Okay, and the last one. Istolish koshach agus ri. Haye gema tahpl. Okay. So he likes walking and running. He's quite active. Istolish koshach agus ri. Haye gema tahpl. So we use gema as quite. So he likes walking and running. He's quite active. Okay, that's all of it. Any questions?
For smart.
Tahpl means active. Smart as in clever. So clever and active. Spatial means posh. Or smart as for clothes.
Okay.
So there are three smarts here. There's glich, meaning smart, clever in a sly way. Okay. As foxes are. So there is spatial, but that relates to smart clothes, and so it relates to clothes. Generally means posh. Like kind of spatial means posh. So posh clothes, well dressed. Yeah, it could be used for other posh things like stajosta spatial. Yeah, posh hotel. Yeah. So, and then we have tahpl, but tahpl is mostly active. Well, kind of clever in an active way. Okay. So, or active in a clever way. Okay.